Step into the realm of organization with the door behind the hook rack, a practical and space-saving solution that maximizes the functionality of your door while keeping your essentials within easy reach. This isn't just a storage accessory, it's a game changer for those who value efficiency, convenience, and a clutter-free living space. Imagine a sleek and versatile rack that seamlessly attaches to the back of your door, transforming it into a multifunctional storage hub. The door behind the hook rack is designed with practicality and style in mind, offering a range of hooks, shelves, and compartments to accommodate a variety of items. Let's explore the design of this ingenious rack. It doesn't just add hooks to your door, it's a comprehensive organization solution. The hooks are strategically placed to hold everyday items like coats, bags, scarves, or hats. The shelves provide a platform for smaller items, from keys and sunglasses to mail and other essentials. The compartments are designed for additional storage, creating a versatile system that adapts to your needs. Now, let's talk about the practical benefits of the door behind the hook rack. Traditional hooks on the back of a door might be limited in their capacity and functionality. This rack takes it a step further by providing a designated space for a variety of items, eliminating the need for scattered storage solutions or a crowded entryway. It's a small but impactful change that adds a layer of order to your daily routine. Consider the space-saving aspect of this rack. In homes where space is a premium, every square inch matters. The door behind the hook rack makes the most of unused vertical space, transforming the back of your door into a functional storage area. No more sacrificing floor space or compromising on style. This rack is a practical and aesthetic addition to any room. Moreover, the door behind the hook rack is not limited to just the entryway. Imagine the convenience of having a dedicated spot for your keys, bags, or accessories in the bedroom, bathroom, or even a home office. The versatility of this rack extends beyond traditional storage solutions, offering a tailored approach to organization that suits your lifestyle. Consider the impact on your daily routine. Mornings become more efficient as you grab your essentials from the door behind the hook rack on your way out. Evenings become less stressful as you return home to a tidy and organized space. The rack isn't just a storage solution, it's a lifestyle upgrade that simplifies your day-to-day activities. Now, let's address the concerns of those who may worry about the installation process. The door behind the hook rack is designed to be user-friendly, with options for easy installation. Whether you prefer hooks that hang over the door or a more secure mounting system, the rack can be adapted to suit your needs. The installation is straightforward, requiring minimal tools and effort to transform your door into an organized haven. I personally think, in essence, the door behind the hook rack is not just a storage accessory. It's a lifestyle enhancer that brings order and efficiency to your living space. Its thoughtful design, versatility, and space-saving features make it a must-have for those who value a clutter-free and organized home. Elevate your living space with the door behind the hook rack, where functionality meets style, and every door becomes a gateway to a more organized life. Be sure to hit the like and the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.